Hey, how you guys doing? Now this is a really cool service. Who says you can't hire an expert witness for 29 bucks? All you got to do, send me some photos, pay me. I'll make a quick 3-minute video. You can give them my resume and go to court and show them your phone. It's that simple. I'm very credible. 40 years of this full time, 18,000 homes. I'm an engineer. You can look up my CV on the internet. I've written books on mold, all kind of stuff. So here it goes. So this guy buys a condo, okay? And he lives in this condo for almost 4 years. And he keeps having problems with odors. And he keeps having problems with blockage. Okay, the way the sewer system works is you have to have a vent stack. And then when the city comes to test it, they put a cover on it and they do a smoke test. So then they check it. Now, whenever you pull a permit, you got to do a smoke test. You put one of these on there. Well, guess what? If you forget to take it off, the layman doesn't know. And there's literally thousands of these all over the country with stacks that are blocked. Now, sometimes they get blocked with other stuff. You know, they're broken or bird's nest, whatever. But this one here is blatant. The fault of the plumber and the contractor, totally at fault, without a doubt, reasonable doubt. I mean, it's obvious. They're the ones that put it on there. You can go downtown, check out, they passed the smoke test. Oh, yeah. But now, this particular individual who has spent thousands of dollars and years of snaking drains because they would get plugged up. You got to have airflow. If this thing is plugged up, you don't have airflow, and it doesn't work. And so you need this to be open. It's a stack for a reason, not only to exhaust fumes, but to provide ventilation and a stack venting effect. So when you flush the toilet, it goes down the right speed, the right way, and it follows the rules. If you plug it up, it can block up, and then you don't use the toilet, and it starts to sludge up in the pipes. Then you start having problems with sewer flies. So this is my executive summary. The person who installed this was the plumber who pulled the permit with the city. This person is completely liable for all damages caused by this, whether it was buying odor eliminators or leaving the house because it smelled so bad, or hiring pest companies that had to get rid of pests. And by the way, your client, Your Honor, I'm talking to the judge, who's ever watching this, I'm talking to the opposing counsel. Your Honor did pay me. I'm sorry, your client, my client, and your plaintiff paid me $29. That's all I paid for this. Now, if you want a report, hey, I'll provide a report, a little bit more money. I have an hourly fee. You can get a report for maybe 100, 200, 300 bucks, depending, on what you want in the report. But you don't need an expert witness to go to a house, spend thousands of dollars for a little dinky lawsuit. You can have an expert for 29 bucks. Send me a photo, and I will actually put it live for you on my channel if you'd like, if it's good enough. And you know what? If it isn't, I'll put it on my channel anyways for, let's say, another 20 bucks, 10 bucks. All right? So, oh, by the way, for the rest of people watching this, I do have a service. It's you just Google "Call Marco with a question." Call Marco with a question, Marco with a K, and then $29 will get you 10 to 15 minutes to solve your problem. You can send me photos, whatever. You can email me correspondence. I could read your waterproofing estimate. It doesn't matter. If you can't solve your problem, odor, mold, moisture, whatever in your house, environmental, I can. I've been doing this for a long time. Also, below, I always have some products that are maybe relevant to these videos. And I am an Amazon affiliate. Hey, I don't make a lot, but buy stuff from me. Don't buy from Amazon because I get like a penny for every, I don't know, $2 you spend. And you know what? It adds up. So, hey, oh, by the way, rate, subscribe, send this to whoever you want. You want to copy it, put it on your thing, go for it. Okay, give me a little credit. I don't care. I'm about helping people. That's what I'm about. And I'm not greedy. Also, hey, there's a bell up there somewhere, up there, up over. I I've had this channel now for 15 years. I have about 10 million views, and I got to start asking you guys to start subscribing. So that'll help me out. So, hey, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.